This is my YouTube channel and I am Chandhan Singh. You see this video until ending and like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, now start today video. Good morning students. Today I will explain you about Rutherford atomic model. You know about Rutherford atomic model described by Rutherford. Rutherford was born at Nelson, New Zealand. He was educated at University of New Zealand with J.J. Thomson and his student Chadwick. And Chadwick also been prized 1908 in the field of atomic physics. Atomic physics. Chadwick also discovered another things, and I tell you about this is history. Rutherford scattering is a phenomena in physics that was explained by Ernest Rutherford in 1911, which led to the development of the Rutherford model of the atom and eventually to the Bohr model. It is now exploited by the materials analytical technique. Rutherford scattering model, you can see this slide in which you can also see radioactive source. This is radioactive source. With the help of this we bombard alpha particles on the gold foil and detector. With the help of this detect alpha particles, beam of particles. This is flow of alpha particles. Okay, now Rutherford nuclear model of an atom. The main point of Rutherford's, first of all, an atom consists of a positively charged nucleus which is surrounded by electrons moving around it. Second things, electron and the nucleus are held together by Coulombic force of attraction, and alpha particles from the polonium sample passed through lead slit of a narrow beam. Then they pass through thin gold foil at the center of the fluorescent screen mode, and Rutherford told about this. These alpha particles, they have a positive charge and they at the center of the atomic only them repulses force. Z is atomic number, E is electron charge and R is radius of nucleus. Could have deflected alpha particles. Deflection occurred because alpha particles too are positively charged. These alpha particles and Rutherford ban this conduct this practical and conclude some point such as most of the space inside the atom is empty because most of the alpha particles passed through the gold foil without getting deflected. So second thing, very few particles were deflected from their path, indicating that the positive charge of the atom occupies very little space. So this alpha particles scattering model, these conclusion points show and some drawbacks also. Rutherford model's drawbacks are: he was not able to explain the electromagnetic theory, which states that an object revolving around the opposite charge object loses its acceleration and get immersed in the object at the center. He does not explain the distribution of electron in the atom. In order to overcome the objection raised against Rutherford model of atom, Niels Bohr put forward the following postulates about the model of an atom. These drawbacks solved by Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr says only certain special orbits known as discrete orbits of electrons are allowed inside the atom. While revolving in discrete orbits, the electrons do not radiate energy. So, in this whole experiment, they show first nucleus have positive particles such as proton and one another particles who have neutral charge and called neutron. Outer of this cell, negative charge particles called electron. So this whole things described by Rutherford. Okay, and I will send you more information regarding this model next video. If you have any doubt and any query, then you can write down in comment box. Okay.